Hey guys, so I am all about the simple these days. We are headed to Dollar Tree to make some really easy and very elegant Valentine's DIYs. And what's more, I think lots of these would transition well after Valentine's Day. I just love how they turned out. Just buy it all. Grabbing a couple of wreath forms for an easy DIY. Have you ever made a rag wreath? These are so fun and so easy. Get a $1 heart form from the Dollar Tree and pick 4 scarves. You can get different colors and patterns or go one solid pattern. Fold the scarf over itself and cut into strips, and these don't have to be even. And this process is so simple. Take a strip and tie in a single knot on the center of the wreath form. That's all you're going to be tying. Add another and go all the way around until it's completely full. Beautiful accent to any home, and you can make it for just $5. All you need is a good Netflix movie to keep you company. The vase options at the Dollar Tree are so beautiful this year, but my personal favorite is this Made with Love vase. This is my favorite chalk paint at the moment. It's matte and it has a really milky finish. Add a really light coat on and put some fresh tulips inside, and this is so beautiful on any tablescape for just $1. Next, mix high-low with your florals. I love the Dollar Tree mason jars. These are a great deal. And pair with a few fresh options like baby's breath or tulips. Then add in $1 florals. The droopy ones are my favorite. I really dislike the part that kind of looks like fish plants, but the pink stems are beautiful. But I just pick out the parts that I like and I disperse throughout the display. The real and the artificial combined look so elegant. I love this idea for Valentine's Day, but this would also make a really cool centerpiece at a wedding. If you didn't know, Walmart also carries stemmed roses, and they're actually only 97 cents. And these are the perfect size for this project. Take a $1 hurricane vase, break off the roses, and start gluing all the way around. At the very end, you can stick in some of the greenery for some texture. Flameless candle inside, and this adds such a beautiful and stately accent to your home on a very small budget. If you enjoyed this video and want more like it, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're brand new, hit those notifications. I want to see you guys soon. Catch you there. Bye. I should sign off with a kiss because it's Valentine's. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these future DIYs.
I'm really excited about this.
You guys, they have gnomes. They're so cute. I have to get this. Let's just continue the Kathryn tradition of this being my cart. So loud. ¿Cómo se llama?